Smokey and the Bandit. Got the gold honeycomb rims. Yeah, he got the Bandit sticker on there. I just got, oh, he even got the little die-cast car. That's oh, he got Burt Reynolds in the back seat. He ain't point, and he got the little Hot Wheels. We just got done talking about the Hot Wheels.
You know how many Corvettes I got in my car?
Now this is nasty, man. You used to see in the red one all the time. You didn't really see too much like this orange.
Nah, I love this color.
Pontiac, baby. My father had a Grand Am. This is definitely a Sunkiss.
Oh, Sunkiss orange.
Sweet. Got a Z here. This is all my year, man. This is all my high school year. From 83 to 86. International racing champions. Oh, shit. I might have to pull up in there. See what he got.